Now we discuss about the question number 22. Cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. 1 means internally all cancel. Then it remaining only 1. But you are consider this is 3x is equal to x plus 2x. Because it is involving the values of 3x, 2x and x. X, 2x, 3x. What is the interlinked? Interlinked 3x is equal to x plus 2x. Already you know this. We are using the tan because tan formula is tan of x plus y is easy compared to cot x plus y and tan x plus y. Tan x plus y is easy formula, so I am using the tan. Now when you observe the question, when you observe this one, but I am taking 3x is equal to x plus 2x. Kim, it is different. So to remember this, it is different. To remember this symbol is U-turn. U-turn question. That means एक से पूछा लेकिन कुछ और करो एक से पूछा लेकिन कुछ और करो. That's why एक से पूछा लेकिन कुछ और करो. This is U type of the question. Then take the tan of x plus 2x is equal to tan of x plus y formula I am using. Now cross multiplication, this into this, tan x into this is equal to numerator. Why I am taking cross multiplication? Because here there is no fraction. So first to simplify the fraction, 10 they plus LCM. Now when you observe here there are two terms. Tan 3x is one term and this is another term. This is negative term. This negative term write that side, that two terms, tan x and tan 2x, so write this side. Tan 3x minus tan x minus tan 2x is equal this product. Now see the question. Question क्या है? It is in terms of cot. So turn this tan 3x is equal to 1 by cot, 1 by cot, 1 by cot. This is also 1 by cot of x to 2x, 3x. Now this is 1 by product. But this take the LCM. Cot 3x हो गया तो cot 2x x came. 2x हो गया तो 3x x हो गया तो remaining 2 came. Now denominator cancel होगा. Numerator is equal to numerator. Here cot x cot 2x, I am writing cot x cot 2x. I change it because it is a product. Why change? Because question is x to x, that's why change. All about this one. Finally this is equal to 1. Now see the example 14 show that tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. How to prove it? See above. First step, second step, third step. Third step is this one. This product here, this is here. So first 3 steps is the answer of example 14. It is also important. It is important. This example 14 also important. Now suppose this type of question came in the JEE mains, then you may use the one shortcut, the formula. If A plus B plus C, how many angles? three angles, x plus y plus z, like that. The sum of angles is 0 or pi or 2 pi. 0 degrees, sum of 0 or sum of is pi. Pi is 180 degrees. 180 degrees मतलब AB is your angles of triangle, or 2 pi. It is the one value, like 0 or 2 pi or pi. Integer into pi, then sum of tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal tan A into tan B into tan C. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal tan A into tan B into tan C. Sigma tan A is equal product tan A. This is the shortcut formula. By using this A plus B plus C, here A, B and C is 3x minus 3x. X, see it is the x plus 2x minus 3x is equal to 0. Now what is A? Ax, B 2x, C minus 3x is the C. Now tan A, that is tan x, tan B plus tan 2x, tan C, tan of minus 3x. Tan of minus x is equal to minus tan x minus tan 3x. Like that, this is also you may write. Now tan x, tan 2x, tan of minus 3x is minus tan 3x. So minus came here. To eliminate the minus, multiply by minus on both sides, then you can get this direct, this step. This is the formula for the JEE mains